followed our client to the EACC headquarters, but unfortunately we are not allowed by the EACC officers to access our client. They say that they have brought him for statement recording, but he's not allowed to access any legal facility by the EACC. When we ask them why we are not able to access the client, they are saying that the director in charge of investigation is yet to decide whether or not the client or the advocates will access their clients. So that's the current situation as we are here at the EACC. They have locked in our client. The client is inside here. But we're not able to access him or even to give him any legal counsel on all what the processes that are currently undertaking. Yeah, we'll keep on briefing you on the progress. Yeah.
What did it?
Yes.
Was it been summoned or was he arrested?
Sorry?
Was he summoned to come?
No, he was arrested. He was arrested. They arrested him this morning. They never issued any summons to that effect.
Just
so
the EACC, where did they arrest him?
In his residence at Nairobi. But the unfortunate thing is that they are not allowing the advocates to access the clients. And that is a constitutional right that is the guarantee, the bare minimum guarantee, that an advocate has a right to access his client anytime, that the client has a right to be represented. It's a bare minimum provisions of a fair hearing, or a process that is governed by the law. That is what is happening. But they have completely refused us to access him. He's still a suspect. He's not an accused person. He still enjoys his rights, but they have refused us to access him. They say the director will determine whether or not the constitution is going to be obeyed. Yeah.